factory, the first side you can see the pontoon sold here. We display the pontoon at the gate of the factory. See this? The pontoon plants. These are all the pontoon, and some are finished and some are half finished. Let's see the finished one. The finished one equipped with the profile, and this could be attached to the deck. The hole, and then use the screw to attach to install with the cross beam. And the back side bracket is for a swimming ladder. And you can see there is also the ring for easing carrying and dragging the pontoon. The ring here, right? And let's see the nose. It's just like the sharp nose, and the fin makes the water go in this way. Then the water will then the pontoon will move more easily. These are half-finished pontoon. They didn't install the bracket. And you can see the welding line is very beautiful and smooth, right? Because we use the automatic robot